I'm going to show you how to log on to your Office 365 portal and install your Microsoft 365 apps. So let's say you work for a company and you've been assigned an Office 365 license, let's say E3 or E5, and you want to install the Microsoft 365 apps on your Windows 10 device. So what you need to do first of all is to go to the website of login.microsoftonline.com and enter your login name which have been given to you by your company and click next. And here you'll be requested to enter your password, so just click sign in. And I'm going to say don't show this again, click yes. So after you've signed into your office365.com, make sure that you can see all the requested apps you have here. And also to install the Office 365 apps, what you need to do is to go to the right hand side of your screen. Here you can see we have your account manager for Chris Martin. So just click on that account manager here. And here we see we have Chris Martin and we have the option view account and say my office profile. So we need to click on view account. So here it says under my account we have different options. So we are actually interested in the option called Office Apps. So click on Office Apps. And here you can see we have the option install Office, or we can say view apps and devices. Let me just click view apps and devices so we can select which version of Office we want to install. So you can see Microsoft is actually recommending right now for everyone to install the 64-bit version, because if you install the 32-bit version, probably some plugin, if you are working for a company and you are being asked to work in some specific software, you may have problem using some plugin which is not compatible with 32-bit version of Office. So here we have the 64 bits which has been selected for us, but you can as well select the 32-bit. And also we can decide to change the language if we wish to say we have different options to install. So I'm going to leave it for the English United States. And here you see we have the option for Skype for business. But mind you, if you are installing the 64-bit of Office, you can see all the options we have here. We also have the Skype, OneDrive, we also have Microsoft Teams will be installed as well. So click install. So it's going to download the Office setup file which we will use to install Office Microsoft 365 apps on this device. So now it says open the file and click yes to allow the user's control. So it's going to take some time for Office to be installed on the device. And mind you, you should have the right privilege to install Office, because if you don't have the right privilege or the admin right to install application on your device, you're going to get an error message which are like access denied, that you don't have the right permission to install Office on that device. So you should always contact your IT help desk or service desk to help you with the installation. So this is going to take some time for the installation. Before the installation will get complete. So I'm going to come back again after the installation has been completed. So let me just pause this video and come back again after the completion of the software apps. So here we can see that the installation has been completed. So you can see you are all set. Office is installed now. So what we need to do is just click close. So I'm going to close this as well. So let me just minimize my browser. And if I go to my start menu here, you can see we have the Microsoft apps has been installed. So let me try to start Microsoft Word. And so what we need to do, if you have the right license, so we need to actually sign in and activate our Office 365 apps. So just click continue. And here you can see my name has been automatically entered. So click next. So I need to provide my password which was given to me by my company and click sign in. So you say allow my organization to manage my device. So you can actually select this if you want your organization, if this laptop or this device belongs to your company, and click OK. So here you see it says more information required. Your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. So you may receive this message if your company has configured like a multi-factor authenticator, whereby you will be required to use your mobile device to confirm that you are the person that owns the device, or which you can actually use your multi-factor authenticator to reset your password in the future if you have problem with your password. So we can decide to use a different account or just click next. So here you can see that it says, okay, how do we want to actually authenticate ourselves to Microsoft 365? So we can say we can decide to use the Microsoft Authenticator app if we have this app, but we have the option to say, I want to set up a different method. So click, I want to set up a different method. Here I can select a phone instead of an app. So I click confirm. So I'm going to enter my country, which country I'm doing this, which country I live. So I live in Belgium. So I'm going to enter my phone number. And mind you, you should try and enter the right number because you'll be sent a message or a text message or be called by Microsoft to actually activate your Office 365 apps. So enter your telephone number. So click next. Here you see we have the option says test me a code. So that's the only option we have right now. So click next. So a code will be sent to your telephone. I just received a code on my telephone, which I'm going to enter. So enter the code that has been sent to you from Microsoft, and click next. So SMS verified your phone was registered successfully. So click next and click done. So great job. You are successfully set up your security info. Choose done to continue signing in. So click done. And here you can see we have now signed in. So click OK. So we also need to actually set up a PIN should in case we want to sign in. So it is more easy for us to assign it to our devices, to our apps and services instead of using our mobile device all the time. So I'm going to set up a PIN and then confirm the PIN. So we can as well include letters and symbols, but for now I'm just going to leave it that way. So it says hold on, we are registered, and you can see almost done. So click next. Here I'm still going to verify my account that I own this computer. So just enter your password for this computer and click OK. And here you can see that Chris has successfully activated Microsoft 365 apps. So mind you, this is not what you do every time you try to start Office 365 apps. So you only do this activation just one time and everything is good. So you can just continue to work with Excel, Outlook, and other Microsoft apps. But mind you, if I go to File here and under Accounts, you can see that I have the Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. So probably if you are using like the Microsoft Office 2019 or Office 2016, it will be actually different. You'll be requested to enter activation code and not your email address and password. So they are actually different. This is actually a different license because this license is a license which belongs to a company, and the other one is just an Office 365 2019 which you bought from a retailer or from a shop or from the internet. My name is Calvin Johnson. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. And if you think this video has been of any help to you, please like my video. You can also share my video if you think this video can help someone else as well. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel once more. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.